Ooh, it's hot today. I have a mess in here. Where's my hat? No music, we'll get copyrighted. Anyway, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys can hear me. You guys are on the GoPro on top of my hair, on my hat today. Feel like doing a quick little video. I'm gonna go get my hair cut right now, so I thought I have some time to kill, you know, while I'm on the drive over there anyway. Might as well talk to you guys for a little bit. I'm trying to speak a little bit louder because I have the AC on, because it's currently 98 degrees outside. So I'm not rolling without AC right now. My appointment's good to go for my haircut, so let's go ahead and start making our way over there. It takes about 20 minutes, but you know, I don't like to be running late anywhere. So let's get it, guys. Taking it back old school with the GoPro. Now, I know what you guys are saying. If it's so damn hot, why are your windows not all the way up? Well, because my car is very tinted, so if I put my windows all the way up, there's a good chance that the video is going to come out super dark. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about where I've been. Hang on, let's listen to that. Oh, I love that sound, baby. It never gets old. Anyway, I want to talk to you guys about where the heck have I been. Well, I've been busy with life, you know. Had a lot of changes going on in my personal life that's been kind of keeping me away from the car scene, the car meets and all that kind of stuff. And that is one reason why I haven't been making videos. As well, it started to become kind of like a chore for me to make videos, and it seems like, because I've done YouTube for years in other platforms, you know, like in video games and stuff like that, but it always seems that after a while it starts to seem like a chore. And I do these videos for fun, like a hobby, you know. And if I personally feel like I'm kind of being forced to make videos or pump out videos, then it's not fun for me anymore, and I don't have as much fun making the videos for you guys. I hope this thing is straight. This is my first time doing the head cam, so bear with me, guys. So got a little off topic there, but yeah, if I'm not having fun doing something, oh, the freeway is backed the heck up, man. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the 10 freeway going west is, ooh, it's slow, it's stopped. That's crazy. But anyway, if I'm not having fun, guys, making the videos, how can I expect you guys to enjoy my videos? Because okay, don't put your blinker on, bro. You know, if I'm not having fun making the videos, how am I supposed to expect you guys to enjoy my videos? Because, you know, that's what are these idiots doing? Okay, so yeah, I want to have fun making these videos, and if I'm not, then I'm not gonna make them. Simple as that. So today I actually felt like you know, waking up and making a video for you guys. And I know it's been probably over a month, if not longer, but I didn't bring out the big camera either because it's super hot out here and the windshields get super hot. So the apparatus that I use to hold the camera over there in the corner won't stick because the windshield's so damn hot, because they're made out of like rubber or whatever. It just falls right off, especially with the weight of the camera, with the big boy. So I just brought out the little GoPro right there today, and you know, just to take it back, old school. This is how I started. And if you guys like this kind of video, you know, a little car vlog, hopefully I'm getting a lot of scenery. I hope I'm not just getting the roof, because you know, I'm very tall, so the camera might just be picking up this up here. I don't know, I'll have to see. either way, I think I'm gonna upload it. You know, it is what it is. Because last time, remember guys, when I went on that cruise and I did the chest plate, it didn't get any of the road. It got down here for the most part, you know. So, and with the chest plate, I thought I was gonna get a good field of view for you guys, but it didn't work out that way. So hopefully I'm wrong this time and we're getting a good view of everything today, and the video comes out pretty good. It's gonna be a pretty long one, guys, because I'm just gonna be rambling on. So if it's not your type of video, sorry guys, it is what it is. It's what I feel in the mood to do today. Just talk to you guys as I'm riding around in the 100-degree weather on my way to get my hair cut. It cooled down enough. Let me put up the windshield. Yeah, let me put up the windshield, guys. Let me put out the windows and crank down the AC a little bit, and maybe you guys can hear me a little bit better now. But yeah guys, I still have my car. I'm still whoa brother, stay on your fucking lane, man. What the fuck are you doing? Jeez, these people, man, fucking don't know how to drive. And you're driving a big old rig too, man. You should be expert at driving. But anyways guys, yeah, I'm still having fun with the car. You know, I still love it. I still take care of it a lot. I haven't done any major mods or anything. Actually, I did upgrade, or I'm gonna actually upgrade. I haven't done it. I've been lazy. I got some new bulbs to go in here that hopefully are a little bit brighter than what I have on right now, because right now they're not bright at all. They're cleaner than the ones that the car came with, but they're not that bright. So I want to make the switch to something a little bit more a little bit brighter, you know, just because sometimes I have trouble finding things at night or inside my garage, because inside the garage is like completely dark. So I want to upgrade those, and they were pretty cheap. I think it was less than 20 bucks for just the two for the ones up front. That's basically what I need, you know. Yeah, I'm always so scared to run intersections like this when there's a big old car in the way blocking the view from the other side, because I don't know what might be coming around the corner, you know. Man, there's a good amount of traffic out here today. Yo, do I even have my wallet yet? Got scared there for a second. Can't show up to my barber appointment without money. Like, what's wrong with you, boy? Trying to come in here, get a free haircut. This ain't Supercuts, baby. You don't get 3 stamps and you get a free haircut around here. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful day out here in the desert. The past 3 days, it's been super humid. It's been cloudy. It's been, you know, little showers here and there. My car is completely dirty on the outside right now. I just cleaned the windshield. That way, you know, you guys can have a clear view out the windshield. But other than that, my car is wrecked outside right now from all this crazy weather we've been having. And I've been sick too. I've had the flu. Well, I mean, I still kind of have it. And hang on, let me check. Yeah, we're Gucci. I still kind of have a headache right now, and this mound's making it a little bit worse. But I'm doing it for you guys because I missed you guys, and you know, I just wanted to crank out a video today. I kind of miss editing too. I kind of feel like I forgot how to edit now, because I haven't even jumped on my programs in so long that hopefully I don't have too much of a hassle. Yeah, never mind. Let's keep it at 2. Hey, shout out to the Ford Locos truck over there. They're unloading into that liquor deli. You guys remember those Ford Locos? Oh my god, like when back in the day when you were young and you wanted to get drunk with one drink, you know, you had to bust out the Ford Locos, and it was gonna be a ratchet kind of night. But yeah, good times, good times. Glad to see the new generation still get a oh no, that's not Ford oh yeah it is Ford Locos. Watch out with your big old truck, bro. Where the you think you're going, man? I think it's funny how drivers that have big trucks think they can just swing their big old truck around, and everyone's gonna have to yield to them, you know? Like, why, bro? Why would we have to yield to you when you're just because you have a big old truck? And then their excuse will be like, well, you saw me turning. Well, you saw me going into your lane. It's not my fault you didn't stop. But yeah, guys, nothing really interesting happens out here in the valley too much, you know, traffic wise. Usually everyone does and follows the rules accordingly. It's kind of rare when you see stuff go kind of like too wrong, unless people are out here intentionally trying to do that kind of stuff. Look at like that guy. He was on the right lane to turn right. That lane did not come this way, and he still just cuts off the Honda over here. Yeah, and he's from out of town. He's not even from here. Where are you from? Texas? This ain't Texas. No offense to anyone from Texas that follows me, but damn, man, learn how to drive, my guy. Could have caused an accident right there. And we were just talking about that. That would have been kind of crazy stuff, man. And I would have hopefully got it all on the GoPro. Oh, sure, guy. Don't even worry about putting a blinker on or anything. Just lane's open, bro. Go for it. You guys didn't know that, did you? When the lanes are open, you don't have to use any kind of signal. You just do whatever you want. Of course I'm joking. Of course I'm joking. People are just terrible at driving, terrible at letting other people know what they're gonna do. Because if I would have been going a little bit faster, he would have cut me off. And you guys would have seen the little road rage episode with Rally. No, I don't even road rage that much, you know. Just people being stupid, I guess. Two stupid people don't make a situation better. So if something happens, you know, as long as you're okay, everybody's okay, then just keep it moving. Thank whoever you thank for the good things that happen in your life, and keep it rolling. Like that lady crossing the red freaking light. Actually, now that I'm kind of out looking for things that might be going wrong, it seems like there is a lot of things going on. That lady ran that red light, or yeah, she had to, because it was green when she was like not even halfway through the turn. Here we go, Mr. Honda again, making another turn without putting his signal on. Well, I couldn't see it, but pretty sure. Oh my goodness, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm not even gonna say anything. But anyway, oh, Wawa Grill. Ooh, that sounds bomb. I wonder what time they open. I haven't had breakfast. Well, I had breakfast. I had a couple pancakes, but I'm still kind of hungry. What time is it? 10:11. We're still doing good on time. Oh, who is he pulling over? Probably pulling me over. Oh no, he's just trying to go through the intersection. Yep. Uh-oh. Something happened up front. Yo, I was like, really? You're gonna try to pull me over when I'm the one over here safe driving today? I'm not even speeding today. I wonder what happened up there. I wonder if we'll see anything, or if it's just... Have you guys ever run into those kind of cops that just do stuff like that just to avoid the red lights? I've seen it a couple of times. They just abuse their power because they just don't feel like waiting. Doesn't look like there's anything up ahead. Oh no, right here. Ooh, yeah. Nasty. Oh, dude, this just happened too. Ouch. And it was a big truck too that rammed into that little car or SUV, whatever it was. Poor old people. The people in the front car were, and it just happened because they were still in the car, like kind of shaken up. Jeez, man. See, if I would have been a little bit more ahead, I think I would have caught that on video and seen what had happened. That would have been awesome. I mean, not that the accident was awesome, but that would have had like some proof. Because sometimes people, when they're at fault, they try to play it off like it wasn't their fault or something like that. So it's always good to have a camera rolling. That way you can protect yourself. So one good car mod, now that we're talking about this, that I want to tell you guys to try and invest in is a camera for your car. That way when you're out driving, you have that proof right there if anything happens. They're probably a couple $100, and you know, compared to so many car mods, that is nothing. That is cheap, and it's for your safety and also for safety of others, you know, because you might, like I said, you might catch another accident on film, and you can help them out, you know. Look, this guy in his Super Duty freaking Ford is getting right up my ass, trying to ride me with this big old truck. like he just didn't see that car accident back there involving a big old truck ramming a smaller car. Again, don't know whose fault it was, but if you get rammed from behind, it's usually the guy that rammed you who's at fault. What do you guys think of taxis? You know, out here in the valley, you rarely see them anymore. It seems that Uber and Lyft have taken over the transport business out here. I think the only time you might see a taxi would be down in either downtown or by the airport. You just don't see them in the streets that often anymore. Sorry guys. I got 15 minutes to get there. I'm almost there. No need to speed, but maybe I'll give you guys a little pull before I get home.